Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your laptop. Install pending OS updates and free up at least 5 GB so Teams runs smoothly. Next, download the official Teams app or open Teams. Microsoft. Apps give better audio/video. Sign in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. This links calendar and contacts. Once signed in, make sure to allow camera and microphone access when prompted so meetings work. If you have multi-account access, choose the account you will use for this session and stay signed in for convenience. Now you set up and join meetings. Open Calendar to schedule or click a meeting link to join instantly. Before joining, go to Settings Devices to test speakers, microphone, and camera. This prevents issues during calls. When in a meeting, choose your view, gallery or large gallery, for context, and use background blur or an image to reduce distractions. Once done, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+M to toggle mute quickly, and remember to pin or spotlight the presenter when you need focus. Finish by organizing chats and files. Start one or group chats, attach files from OneDrive for version control, and save important messages. For presentations, click Share, choose your entire screen or a window, and grant control if someone else needs to interact. Stop presenting when finished to return to normal view. If something goes wrong, restart Teams first, verify camera/mic permissions in system settings, and if needed, join from the browser as a fallback. These steps solve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.